Hello friends, in this video let us try and solve this question. So let's read the question. It says that we have consider an infinite geometric series with first term is a and common ratio is r, and if the sum is 4 then what, and the second term is 3 by 4, then we have to find out what is the value of a and what is the value of r. Okay, so very simple question. Okay, but we need to know, like, okay, what is the sum, okay, of infinite geometric series in this. So sum of infinite geometric series, okay, if I have to write, I'll write this is geometric series a plus, so a plus ar square plus ar cube, right, and so on, okay, till infinite terms. So sum of this, okay, we know we can write it as a upon 1 minus r, correct? And what they have given in the question, they have given that the sum is 4. So I can equate this to 4, right? This is the first equation that we have, that the sum of the terms is equal to 4. Second thing, second term is 3 by 4. So what is the second term of the GP? Okay, can you quickly tell me? Second term is this AR, right? So this is the second term. So I can write AR is equal to 3 by 4. So this is our second equation. So we have two equations, okay, 1 and 2, and we have two variables a and r. So we can quickly solve it, right? We can make a quadratic equation, substitute one of them, okay, make a quadratic, and you'll get the roots, right? So let's take the first equation. From here I can write a is equal to 4 times 1 minus r, correct? So this is a is equal to 4 into 1 minus r. So what I will do is I will take this, I'll take this value of a and I will put it in this one. Okay, so let's do that and let's see what we get. Okay, let me just change the color. Okay, so we have 4 into 1 minus r into r is equal to 3 by 4, correct? I have just put the value of a here. Okay, so this is what we are getting, 4 into 1 minus r into r is equal to this. So I can write this as 4 into 4 will be 16. So 16 into 1 minus r into r is equal to 3, or I can write 16r minus 16r square is equal to 3. So if I write it, if I write this equation now, okay, let me write this equation in the standard form now. Let me just remove this part. Okay, so never mind, let's just write it over here. So the equation will be 16r square minus 16r square minus 16r plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we have in r. So we can quickly solve for r. Okay, so how will you do it? So 16 and 3, right? So we look at these two coefficients, right? The 16 and 3, and we have to make what? We have to make 16. Okay, the middle term we have to make. So 16 into 3 I can write as, this is 4 into 4, right? So 4 into 4 into 3. So I can write 12 and 3. So 12 and 4, sorry. Yeah. So 12 and 4 minus 12 minus 4. So I'll write this equation like this. 16r square. Okay, some problem with the pen, never mind. Minus 12r minus 3r. Okay, minus 3r plus 3. This is equal to 0. Is it okay? Right. Okay, so we have 16 minus 12r and minus 3r plus r. So let's solve this. So look, we can take 4r common, okay, and what we get is 4r minus 3. Fine. And then here also you can write 4r minus 3. So sorry, this is minus 4. Okay, yeah, sorry, 4 into 3 is 12 and this is 4. So you have 4r plus 3, right? So let me just erase this. Yeah, so what do we get? So we have 4r minus 3 and put a negative sign here. This is equal to 0, right? So from this I can write the two terms as what? 4r minus 1 and 4r minus 3, correct? So this becomes the two roots of the equation. What are the two roots? One is r is equal to 1 by 4 and the second one is r is equal to 3 by 4. So in the options, okay, if you see, what do you have? So we have r is equal to 1 by 4, r is equal to 1 by 4, R is equal to 1 by 2, so this is definitely not the correct option. R is equal to 1 by 3, this is also not the correct. So either of these two will be correct, right? So put R is equal to 1 by 4 and check what is the value of A. Okay, so if you go to the previous this thing, right, what we had is sum is equal to A by 4, right? So A is what? Okay, leave that. Okay, we already have it here. So if you see right here, come here. So we have A is equal to 4R minus 4. So I can say A is equal to 4 into 1 minus R is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So this will become what? So A will become 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay. 4 will get cancelled. So 3. So this is your value of A. So our correct option becomes A. A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1 by 4. So thanks for watching.